Then we have our WBM Home Lint Roller. It's so cute because it's pink. And the thing I really like about this is that it actually has a cover. So you're not going to be like one of those ones where it's like just exposed and then sticking to things and it's in your drawer and you got like maybe like loose change stuck to it or something. This is going to come with 60 sheets on it. And then you're going to have your cover like this. It's super cute and chic as well. I love the coloring on the WBM Home items. So cute. 16% off. Let me go ahead and open this up. I kept it sealed while I was, before I started live streaming. So let me go ahead and open it for you guys. It has that roll kind of like how when you open up a thing of crescent rolls. Watch me be the only one who even does that, right? Let me open these up really quick and take the little cover off. So it comes off like when you open up a crescent roll. And there we have your stickiness. So let me go ahead and do that to my shirt, okay? So you guys can see the rolling effect, okay? Really cool. And it's super, super sticky. Oh my goodness, it's so sticky. Hello. Sorry about that, ladies and gents. Look at that. All the little fuzzies from my white shirt. Look at my red shirt. Like all the little fuzzies and like peeled material. You know when it gets like you wash and it gets kind of like peeled, like pilling? Pilling, is that what it's called? It picks up all those little pillings so that your material is nice and smooth. Instead of having all those little bumpy little pillings all over. Look how fast that was. Like it took it all off. And then when you're not using this, you just take it and you take it from the corner and you peel it and then you just close it up like that and it's not sticking to anything. And also just super, super cute. Isn't that just the cutest? I love this. I just think it's so precious. This has really wonderful ratings on it too. Everybody's really excited about the fact that it covers up like that. And then it doesn't stick to the inside of the cover. So you're just like this, you know what I mean? And then I also like the fact, like, I hate to be gross, but I just was holding my cat. Like, when we first started the live stream, she tried to jump onto my table. And I hate to be gross, but, like, look. Cat hairs. Okay, so if you have a pet and you're about to go out, and you're about to, like, be going out and you're about to go to work, just roll it all over. Get all of those pet hairs off of you. Okay, get them all off. And then you're done. So, like, yeah, total, like, tons of cat hairs and stuff. That's what happens when you have dogs and cats, you know, it's like the one bad thing. Everything else about having a pet is beautiful and wonderful. But man, when they get fur all over you and you go out looking like a crazy cat lady, it's a huge problem. So again, look at how it took all of the fabric pilling that was all over my washed shirt that had all those little pills, all that pilling, and then of course the nasty cat hair, okay? Just gross. And then you just cover it up and you're ready to go. That's going to be 16% off by WBM Home, the pink and gray, and it has the cover to it. It has 60 sheets in it. And then how you do that is like when you go to the little edge here, it's going to have like a little edge for you to peel. So I'll show you. Like you peel at the edge and then you pull it down to get to the next sheet underneath. You guys see the next sheet underneath? Just kind of like with those croissant rolls when you open up the... So really awesome deal on this, and I love that. 60 sheets, very long lasting, wonderful for pet owners, wonderful for people who get those little pills all over your sweater. This is like a sweater top. It gets those pills all over it when I wash it, so it takes off all those little fabric pills, dust, lint, and pet hair. Super, super strong. You saw my cat hair on there. It comes off beautiful.